Elijah, take one. And rolling.
Today, we explore Great Wolf Lodge.
It's about to get crazy. It's about to go down. It's about to get crazy. It's about to go down.
The Great Wolf Lodge is an indoor water park resort hotel.
What's a resort?
A resort provides everything a vacationer would want, like food, lodging, entertainment, and shopping, all on the same property. So once you get in, you get this wristband, which you can use to access your hotel, get to the water park, and you can buy stuff with it, if your parents allow it.
We stayed at the Kid Cabin Suite, which was super cool. It felt like we were in like a cabin. They have bunk beds and a day bed.
And on the other side, my parents had a queen bed.
You wanna roll with me? We're gonna feel the beat. Show 'em how to do that thing. You know what to do now. Tonight the stars are out, so let's paint the town.
This place is 93,000 square feet. To put that in perspective,
This place is gargantuous.
Into the city, I feel light out of smoke. Above the traffic, everybody better
Nailed it.
I got some energy, time got away from me. Too busy feeling free, it's all I can do now.
The water is 84 degrees year-round. Very comfortable.
which means you can go to this place in the middle of winter.
My heart is pumping and my hips are twisting. Oh, I wanna scream and make everyone listen. All the way to the world, all the way I prefer to be right here where I am. I'm all about it.
Okay, so the Triple Thunder is probably one of my favorites. Pretty slow at first, but then you go down this big hill and you
Go left, right, and you get shot out the other side.
Get your suitcase.
Besides having an insane water park,
the thing that really surprised me was the Great Wolf Adventure Park. Pretty rad.
this was probably the biggest surprise of the place.
They had the Howler's Peak ropes course, which was amazing.
I got a new reputation.
I did the ropes course and I did pretty good.
Instead of standing still.
He actually led the way, so I was pretty proud of him. Nailed it.
I can feel it setting in.
They had a rock wall called the Rustic Ridge Climbing Wall, which was awesome.
Nobody's gonna stop us now. No, no, no. Nobody's gonna stop us now. No, no, no. We won't give up. We won't give up. We won't give up. We won't give up. We won't take down. We won't take down. We won't give up.
Then there's the Howl and One mini golf. And Caleb actually got like 5 or 6 holes at once. I was killing it. I schooled everybody on mini golf. Little dude can putt.
One of my favorite things about Grange Lodge is the Magi Quest.
Which is so much fun.
It's a virtual scavenger hunt throughout the entire park.
You have found the yellow crystal.
And then after you finish the whole thing,
You get this really cool gold coin and
you get knighted.
in front of everybody. If you're thinking about going to Grange Lodge soon, we highly recommend it.
Grange Lodge is awesome. I would definitely go back. Actually, we're gonna go back. Hope you like our kid review of Great Wolf Lodge.
You know I'm taking these chances just to send you a message. It's not just entertainment, it's the way that I'm living. No make believe, you in reality.
If you like our videos, why don't you just subscribe? You can see more. Because I like making them. See you guys on the next one.